Okay, we looked at the exponentials. Now let's look at the logarithms. So, when we have a log, right? And let's say we're saying, I don't know, log a to the b is equal to c, right? It means that, if I write it in different colors, this to the power of this, this to the power of this is equal to this, right? That's the fundamental rules of logs, okay? Just some key things to point out is log a times b, right? That's the same as log a, right? Plus log b, all right? Sorry, gonna use consistent capitals or non-capitals, right? And the same is in reverse. So if that's log a times b, then log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. All right? And finally, log a to the power of b is the same as b times log a. All right? Those are your three fundamental rules of logs. Now let's use them to our advantage, right? Log 2 to the 8 is equal to what? What to the power of 8, right? What to the power, 2 to the power of what is equal to 8, right? That's basically what it's saying. And as you would have guessed by now, it's 3. Okay? And likewise, right? Log base 5 of 25 is equal to what? That's basically saying 5 to the power of x is equal to 25. So what's x equal to? X has to be equal to 2. And so that is how the log function works in a nutshell. Is this video making sense? Well, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video like it from me. Now let's use the log rules to make all of these one single logarithm, right? Log 6 plus log 7, right? Remember those fundamental laws that we were talking about, how log a plus log b is equal to log ab, right? Remember that? Well, we can use that to our advantage here. This is the same as log 6 times 7 base 3, which is the same as log base 3 42. All right? So it's just using those log rules from before. Now let's look at this one. Log 15 minus log 3 is what? Well, we know that from the previous slides, log a minus log b is the same as log a over b. So this is the same as log 15 over 3 base 2, which is equal to log base 2 5. So all we're doing is manipulating the log rules. Still not making sense? Well, you can join my Discord server and ask me anything you want down below for fast responses. Now let's look at this one. Write log base a of x cubed y to the 4 times z in terms of log x, log y, and log z. How are we going to split this up, do you think? Well, log x times a, log x time of x cubed times y to the 4 times z, what are we going to use? Which log rules? We're going to use the first one, where we add them up. So that's the same as log of x cubed, right? Plus log of y to the 4 plus log z, they say. All right? Now, how are we going to make this in terms of this? Well, if you guys remember the other log rule that I mentioned, right? Log of a to the b is the same as b times log a, which means we can bring this 3 down to the front, and this is the same as 3 times log x, base a. All right? Now, it's the same thing with this one. Here we have y to the 4, so we use this log rule up here. And this is the same as 4 times log y, base a. And as you can see with log z, it's already in the form that we want it. So we can just leave this as log z. And that is your final answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. Do you guys want to pass your exams with flying colours? Well, you can get tutored by me. Drop me an email for a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.